Well, the issue I have, what I'm going to show my fix or how I'm going to fix this is my cabinets. The outlet for the disposal is not flush with the wall. So what I'm going to do is essentially make kind of a spacer, and I made it bigger than what I need so that I can cut it to fit. So the way I do this, the way I was shown to do this, is I'm just going to use a 3-inch screw, could be 2.5, whatever size, and I'm going to take a scrap piece of wood and get it started. And then I'm taking a piece of wire. I just happen to have 12 gauge. 14 gauge would work as well, might be easier. And I'm going to create a spring. So I'm going to wrap it around till I get what I'm looking for. So now I've got my spring, so to speak, my spacer. So I've got 2 of them. And I got, this is 632 2.5-inch screws. So I replaced the ones that came with it, and just because I like those, I just put those little things back on it. So I'm going to wire it up like I normally would. So now that I've got it wired, I'm going to tentatively kind of check how it fits. So I got an idea of how I'm going to trim it, and I'm going to trim a little bit of the tail off as well. So I've trimmed them to what I think. So this is going to be the first time trying to put them on. So this is how much I trimmed off. So you do kind of waste some wire, at least I did. This is my first attempt at this, so probably why I wasted. Anyways, I've got it on. So now we will see how it fits. All right, so first time is a charm. So obviously I cut my box a little bit large, but we'll put the faceplate on and see how it looks. So the faceplate is on and flush. So now once I get countertops, it'll look like it's flush against the wall. Not very flexible, and that's how you can make a spacer for an electrical outlet on a disposal or wherever. In this case, it's a disposal. If you need it solid. I hope that helps.